Just fixed the last piece of rust on this car. Whew. This was a vinyl top car. I think y'all told y'all this before. You can see the lead. I just smoothed it down. And so that's that right there gonna be, it can be Bondo. It's nothing, no moisture no more. That could be Bondo and smoothed out. No more moisture. Just fixed that. You can see it. Just welded it and had a piece down here. Just put a new piece on there. And the back piece, you can't see it. It's behind it. That piece goes to it. That's it. I told y'all about how I put new metal on the back here. All that's gonna be Bondo, smooth. You ain't gonna see none of that. Gotta have the screws put in there. You can see the package tray I put in there. That whole piece, this whole piece. Matter of fact, I got one more piece I need to weld. This piece, I need to knock it down here. You see that hole over there? I need to knock that down and weld that. And that's it. Coat this thing up so no rust get on it. Actually got some pure R15 that I'm gonna put on the inside of that piece from back here. You can see. I'm gonna pure R15 that whole piece back there. Can't get to that piece on the back, so I'm gonna spray it.